Okay, now we have Josh Miller. Hey,
What's going on, Josh?
Hello.
Going good.
Going good. How are you guys doing?
Oh, we're
All
doing
right.
good. Josh is one of our esteemed village students.
Yes.
I was a village student, Josh.
Yeah.
Only like 5 years ago.
Yeah, 5 or 10.
5.
Sounds right.
All right.
Gee. Okay, Josh, when you're walking across the stage at graduation, well, now I guess be in July, what will they call for your full name?
Joshua Wesley Miller.
Oh,
Nice. Is that after anybody?
No?
yes, Wesley Miller, like, is there,
Wesley.
yeah,
Yeah.
Wesley, isn't that a famous,
John Wesley, you mean?
no, Wesley Miller.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What was your mom saying? Anyway.
I think that's a correct. Anyway, that is beautiful. Well, then they'll be calling that in July, so start practicing now. Don't
Okay.
walk out when they ask Trenton Wilkins. Only come out when they say Joshua Wesley.
Sounds good.
Lessons in life.
Yeah, good lessons to know. Okay, so let's get on to some other questions and see more about Joshua Wesley. See how that works? Okay, tell us if you could have any dream job, what would it be?
I'd be a pilot and fly a huge plane around.
Like commercial?
Yeah.
Really?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Are you going to go for that? Or would that just be like in a
I
dream?
might. I don't know. It's more of a dream job right now.
Wow. Who did we talk to that wants to be a Jacob Gates?
Oh yeah, he wants to be a fighter pilot.
Nice. So someday in the future when I'm flying on Delta, I'll look to the left and there you'll be in
Right
the
there,
pilot
right
seat.
there in the cockpit.
Hopefully.
So cool. Josh, I didn't know that about you.
Eating those Delta cookies, the Bischoff cookies.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay.
All right. So tell us about your favorite experience while you were at MPA.
My favorite experience was the mission trip I did sophomore year. I went to Peru.
Wow.
I had so many amazing memories there.
Oh, that is so cool. Were you on construction or preaching?
Yeah, I did construction.
Yeah. And what were y'all building that year?
We were fixing up one of the schools down there.
Okay. Okay.
Tell us about one of those memories or two. Like,
did you go to Machu Picchu?
Yeah, we went to Machu Picchu. That was the coolest part of it. It was so beautiful.
I'm so jealous. I'm dying to go there.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That is incredible. And how long were y'all gone? Was it like 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Wow. That was a Share Him trip, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is awesome. We've been on a couple of Share Him trips. Well, at least one. That's really fun. How fun. That's cool.
Glad you had a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then lastly, tell us what you're going to miss most about music besides.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, the staff members, all the people, working maintenance, just the great atmosphere. All amazing.
Have you worked maintenance all 4 years?
Yeah.
That is so much. That's both of our boys did that for at least a year or two and loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome.
That's so cool. Oh, Josh. Well, we know we'll still get to see you because you live close by, but I know because you, it's the end of an era. No more Miller boys.
Yeah.
That stinks.
Hard to see.
Yeah.
We've enjoyed getting to know you, James.
You'll do well in college, man. I know you will.
Thank you. I hope so.